you've dreamed of financial independence. We all have had that dream. Today is the first day of the rest of your life. Finally, the independence you seek is just a few mouse clicks away. Ron Carter and his colleagues have developed a revolutionary trading machine called Pro Forex Robot, or as many in the industry like to call it, PFR for short. PFR is 100% automatic and makes money day after day, year after year. It is, quite simply, a money-making machine that requires no work on your part. Simply plug it in and walk away. PFR does everything for you. Make money from anywhere in the world, hands-free, easily, with no experience necessary. The only thing you need is a computer with internet, and you can experience Ron Carter's Pro Forex Robot for yourself. Imagine making money around the clock and having time to enjoy your life. Don't let not having enough money get in the way of your dreams again. Take those luxurious vacations with your family. Drive the cars you've only seen in magazines. Never worry about money again. Why is it that Pro Forex Robot is so successful? It's because of the trading and technology team Ron has assembled. Ron and his team had traded their complex system manually for years in a foolproof manner, no matter what the market condition. 2 years ago, Ron hired world-renowned mathematicians, technical developers, and yes, more real traders to come up with a robot unlike anything the world has seen. As you know, the markets can be very volatile, and PFR automatically adjusts to all market conditions. In 2008, as the stock market was crashing, banks were going under, and people were losing their homes, PFR made more money than ever. If you don't understand how markets work, they go up and they go down. Some days, nothing happens. Make money when the market goes up, down, or when the market barely moves. PFR is a multi-strategy system. What this means is there are many factors programmed within PFR to make sure it only trades when the time is perfect and there's money to be made. True professional traders like Ron will always tell you managing your risk is as important as finding a good place to enter the market. This could not be a truer statement. That's why Ron and his team made sure PFR is programmed to risk a very small portion of your account on each trade. It's truly astonishing the consistent money PFR makes. It's almost like magic. PFR has never had a losing month. Let me repeat that. PFR has never had a losing month. On average, over the course of PFR's existence, PFR makes 86.3% per month. Let's pretend the profits dropped dramatically to only 50% per month on average, and you started a trading account with only $1,000. If this money were compounded for only 1 year at a rate of 50% per month, it would turn into over $129,000. Quite simply put, this is a life changer, folks. You can start trading with any amount of money. $100, $500, $5,000. It doesn't matter. If you're skeptical and want to trade fake money, no problem. The system will allow you to see real results without risking a dime. Have you missed out on those big opportunities before? Put all those missed opportunities in the past and never look back. Join Pro Forex Robot today and change your life tomorrow.